In this video, I'm going to show you how to get more Descendant slots in the First Descendant. Now, there's actually two ways of doing this and getting them, however, sadly they're both paid versions and I'm going to show you both. So you want to first open up your inventory by pressing I on your keyboard and then go up here to where it says Descendant. In there, you want to click G and you will open up your Descendant list. Okay, and now in here you can see a button which says purchase slot. Now beware, you get the First Descendant, which is the default one, and then you can also obtain Bunny, which leaves you with a room for 8 other Descendants to be obtained by default without having to purchase anything. That's quite a lot. However, if you play this game a lot too, you'll encounter the difficulty because you will run out of these slots. You can purchase it by clicking purchase slot over here. As you can see, you can purchase as many of them as you wish. However, each and every single one of them will require 50 caliber. So as you can see, if you want to buy 10, it's 500 caliber. If you want to buy 1, it's 50 caliber, as I said. The problem is that caliber can only be obtained via actually purchasing it with real money. Now, there's also another way you can get them, and it's inside the shop. If we go to the shop over here, and we can get them inside the bundle. So you want to look up here for the ticket package. There we go. You have the ticket package A, B, and C. And as you can see, if I click on it, besides the things you get with these packages, you also get a Descendant slot as a bonus, okay? And you can get it in these Descendant ticket packages or in the Ultimate packages. So if I type in Ultimate, as you can see, you can also get a Descendant slot in here. However, these are much more expensive, as I said, and caliber costs real money. So if you want to buy only one slot, we said it costs 50 caliber, and as you can see, kind of the least caliber you can buy at once is 250 caliber for 5 euros, so you'll have to invest 5 euros and you'll be able to get one slot, or 5 slots because you get 250 caliber if you're not planning to use it on anything else. So that's kind of the least you have to pay to get a Descendant slot. Now, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.